I know before I made a video about the first blizzard, and that was a joke. Well, this isn't. This is out my front door. Look how high it is. And it's still coming down hard. We got like 3 feet of snow out here. I'm gonna have to try to shovel my wife out because she's gotta go to work. Yeah, stay tuned. I'll let you know when I'm down over there somewhere so you can see how high it is now. Remember, I'm 5'11", or 5'10" around there, but you'll see the difference. So just watch. Do you see this? It's up to here. My waist. It's almost like except for a little bit over 3 feet of snow right now. Love New York. Look how high the snow is. This is crazy right now. They got side streets here that aren't even plowed. So what you're seeing on the side of the road right now is down these side streets. This is no joke this time, folks. Look at this, look at this, look at this. This is an intersection. Look at the road down there. You can't get down there. That's over 4 feet low, high. Holy cow. All right, guys, later. I just backed into this thing that I dug out. Look how high my Pilot is. That big mound there is my other car, and then my other one back there. This is crazy. I bet you the mail don't come today. Crazy stuff right now. I just got home from driving my wife. Took me about an hour and a half to get home. Well, y'all have a good day.